You check your bank balance. It looks fine. So where did your money actually go? I tracked every single dollar for 30 days, and what I found changed everything. Most people think big purchases ruin their finances. A new TV, a vacation, a car. But the truth is much smaller and much more dangerous. It's the $5 coffee, the $3 app subscription, the $12 delivery fee, the $4 snack. A $5 daily habit costs you $1,825 a year. That's not small. That's a vacation. That's an emergency fund. So I decided to do something simple. For 30 days, I tracked every single dollar I spent. No apps, no spreadsheets, just a notebook and a pen, every coffee, every grocery run, every random online purchase. Day 7, I was already shocked, but day 30, that's when my stomach dropped. In 1 month, I spent over $400 on things I didn't even remember buying. Money I worked for. Money that just disappeared. Here's what I learned. Your spending falls into 3 categories. Number 1, needs. Rent, groceries, utilities. These keep you alive. Number 2, wants. Takeout, new shoes, entertainment. These make life enjoyable. But number 3 is the killer. I call them ghosts. Forgotten subscriptions, unused memberships, impulse buys you don't remember making. Ghosts don't feel like spending, but they steal more than your wants ever will. Why does this happen? Because your brain is designed to lie to you about small expenses. When you tap a card, your brain feels zero pain. It's not real money to your mind. Studies show you will spend 100% more when using a card than cash, because pain is delayed. Small expenses feel harmless alone, but together they form a monster. You feel rich today, but your future self is paying for every small decision you make right now. Most people choose blindness because it's easier, but awareness is the only way out. So here's exactly how to fix it. No fluff, no complicated systems, just what works. Step 1, turn off notifications from every store app. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 2, unsubscribe from all marketing emails. No temptation, no impulse. Step 3, carry a small notebook for 30 days. Write down every single expense. Coffee, write it. Snack, write it. Subscription, write it. Everything. Step 4, do not judge yourself. Just track for 30 full days. Step 5, at the end of 30 days, sit down and review every page. Step 6, highlight the 3 expenses that surprised you the most. Step 7, cut those 3 things immediately, not next month. Now. Step 8, take the money you would have spent and put it into savings instead. Step 9, repeat for another 30 days. Then watch what happens. In 60 days, I saved over $800 without earning more, without suffering, just awareness. Before tracking, my channel had 16,000 views and almost no subscribers. I didn't know why. Then I realized I was treating my money the same way viewers treat my content. Scroll, watch, forget. That's what I was doing with my own money. Once I started tracking, everything changed. Day 1, nothing. Day 30, over $400 found. Small leaks become small savings. Small savings become big freedom. The money was never missing. I was just blind to where it was going. So here's my challenge to you. Get a notebook. Get a pen. Start today. Not Monday, not next month. Today. Write down every expense for 30 days. No excuses, no exceptions. Set a daily reminder on your phone. Same time every day. And after 30 days, come back here and tell me what you found. I promise you, the money is there. You just haven't been looking. If this video helped you see your money differently, hit subscribe. I post one money truth every single day. Tap the bell so you never miss a day. Every day. Most people will watch this and do nothing. But you are not most people. You came here because you want to be different with money. So start today. I am Finoxa, out.